we really need to change how we govern ourselves, because democracy as we know it is in trouble all over the world. My name is Vijayendra Rao. I'm called Biju. I, for the last 27 years, have been in the research department of the World Bank. I'm 62, and at this point you start thinking about how you're going to spend the rest of your life. And I came to the conclusion that I want to spend as much of my time as possible communicating ideas to the next generations. So Roberta Buffett Institute approached me to ask if I was interested in coming here and being a Distinguished Practitioner-Scholar in residence and teaching for a quarter at the Elliott Scholars programs. They are undergraduates who enroll in a 2-quarter sequence on international development, and then after that get placed in a country somewhere in the world for 2 months where they get practical experience. I think the first thing I would say is that we need to stop making a distinction between international development and, say, US development. Yeah, it's all policy. The course I'm teaching is how to bring people into policy. So what I try to do with the students is to take them through the major paradigms of policy making and what I call neo-paternalist, which is, let's do science to figure out what's the best way of doing things. We can do experiments to tell you what works and what doesn't, and that's how policy should be directed. My critique is that they need to do a much better job in bringing people in. So for instance, when you allocate resources to a city, why should the representatives who are elected be the only ones to make decisions about how that money is spent? Shouldn't they be engaging directly with regular folks, getting their input in a direct conversation with their representatives about how that money is spent that will affect them in ways that are more direct than what some expert will decide is the way to do things? But I really want all citizens, all human beings, certainly all my students, to realize that this is one way of thinking about how to make democracy more responsive to the needs of citizens. I think that's the power of teaching, that the journey the students have taken, where they've started out and where they've ended up. They're writing these term papers that are at the level of what a World Bank official would be doing. And they've come from zero. They've become far more sophisticated as to how they understand the world, I feel, because of that. And when it works, it's beautiful. For the professor, and I hope for the students. I'm so glad I did this.